Hey everyone, my name is Omar and this is Tamago and Friends. Today we're making sweet potato black bean burgers. Bring your sweet potatoes to a cutting board. At this cutting board, cut your sweet potatoes long ways. After cutting the sweet potatoes, get out a baking sheet. Line your baking sheet with aluminum foil. Place your sweet potatoes on the baking sheet and drizzle with olive oil. Massage the oil into the potato. Place your potatoes face down on the baking sheet. Set your potatoes to the side. Moving back to the same cutting board, get one red onion. Thinly slice your red onion and then place your onion inside of a container. Add a few pinches of salt and cover with water. We're doing a quick brine here with our onions to remove some of the bite that we get. Take this time to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. As the oven is preheating, let's get our beans together. I'm using 1 can of unsalted black beans. Remove your beans from a can and put inside of a strainer. Then you're going to rinse off all of your beans. Place your black beans inside of a mixing bowl as we prepare to mash together all of our ingredients. The last major component of our black bean burgers are going to be our rice, specifically quinoa. Get 1 cup of quinoa and rinse thoroughly. Transfer your quinoa into a small or medium-sized pot. For every cup of quinoa that you use, you're going to need 2 cups of water. Set your water to a rapid boil. Once at a rapid boil, consistently stir your quinoa. Set your temperature to a simmer, or until you see small little white coils in the middle. When your oven is at 400 degrees, place your sweet potatoes inside and set a timer for an hour and 15 minutes. After our potatoes are done, remove them from the oven. Carefully remove the meat from the skin and put it inside of the mixing bowl with the rest of our ingredients. These potatoes are hot, pun intended. Once all of our ingredients for our patties are put inside of our mixing bowl, it's time to season. Our seasonings for our burgers included paprika, chipotle, cumin, garlic powder, pepper, and salt. Now season your patty mix to your desire. I would add a little bit more salt. You can go a step further and add breadcrumbs if you want to help with some of the binding. At the very end, add a little bit of brown sugar to help sweeten up the dish. Now we have all of our components together, we're going to go ahead and bake our patties. On a new baking sheet, spray down with cooking oil. Using a 1/4 measuring cup, I scooped some of my patty mix into the cup, molded it on the inside, and then splattered it onto my baking sheet. Then, using a spatula, I mashed it down to be a smash burger consistency. You can form your patty molds to be however you want. However, the thinner the patty mold, the easier and shorter time it is to bake it. Once you get all of your burgers together onto your baking sheet, slide inside of the oven again. This time you're going to cook them for 45 minutes, flipping at the 20-minute mark. And here's a tip. You do not need to fry these burgers. They need to bake. If you use oil too much, they're going to break apart. While your burgers are baking, you can get together a quick little soy ginger green bean. You want to first steam your green beans. I had a microwavable bag, so I just put it inside the microwave. After your green beans are steamed, set them aside. Get 1 frying pan. Into your frying pan, add vegetable oil and a little bit of sesame oil. Add garlic and red chili flakes. Once your oil is piping hot and ready, add your green beans. You're going to cook these for about 7 minutes, adding some salt along the way. We're not frying our green beans, we're tossing and sauteing them so they can take on some of the sesame flavor as well as get a little bit of kick from the peppers and salt. After sauteing your green beans, place them on a draining sheet. Once your patties are done in the oven, remove and plate. And there you have it, sweet potato black bean burgers. I promise this is an easy to make dish that you can make at any time of the year, but since it's warming up where I live, I wanted some nice vegetarian burgers. And please visit our YouTube page, Tamago and Friends, to see more videos like this. My name is Omar, this is Tamago and Friends. Thank you all for watching and have a great day. Bye. Alexa, stop.
No, I don't think I will.